Have you ever cast a magical spell on your prospects to make your offer absolutely irresistible to them? I've seen it happen. You put an order button in front of a prospect and they get drawn to it like a moth to a flame. It's like they're hypnotized. They can't help themselves. Suddenly, their credit card is out and they're buying the offer, the upsell, the cross-sell, everything. They go so crazy, you could probably sell them sand when they're in the middle of the desert. You'd swear it's magic. Of course, magical spells don't really exist. You can't put on a wizard's hat and mix up a kettle of Eye of Newt and Tail of Lizard to make money. But you know what works even better than a magical spell? Just this. Learning how to write smokin' hot sales copy. Think about it. Pretty much any millionaire and billionaire on the planet owes their wealth to kick-ass sales copy. Seriously, how else do you think people are able to become rich selling things like pet rocks? It's all about the good sales copy. Or how about all those people who are totally shattering sales records selling products that are nowhere near as good as your products? Yep, it's all about the copy. And once you know the secrets of writing good copy, you too can start seeing some eye-popping conversion rates. Now here's the good news. You're about to find out exactly how much extra money good sales copy pushes into your bank account. That's because you're about to get your hands on a set of 10 training videos that gives you a crash course in writing cash-pulling sales copy. If you have a great product but the sales aren't coming in, better copy is the answer to making more money. If you have traffic but very few sales, better copy is the answer to making more money. If you want to build a bigger list, get more people opening your emails, and get more clicks on your links, then yep, better copy is the surefire solution. How can I be so sure? Because this course was developed by two of the net's top marketers. These guys have deposited multiple millions of dollars into their bank accounts over the years. And one of the reasons they're so successful is because they know how to write copy that could charm the pants off of just about anyone. And now they're ready to share their secrets of writing killer copy with you. So let me give you a sneak peek inside these 10 copywriting videos and how you can use these strategies to turn your business around starting as soon as today. First up, you'll find out how writing good copy can really boost your business profits this year. This video gives you two important yet widely overlooked keys to writing great copy. Plus, you'll find out the secret sauce that drives sales. If you're looking to make more profits, then you'll want to watch this video right away. Next, you'll find out how to write captivating, cash-pulling headlines. Listen up. Did you know your headline is the most important part of your sales copy? After all, no one will even read the rest of your sales letter if your headline totally stinks. But we can fix a stinkin' headline fast. Inside this video, you'll discover the 3 components of a good headline. Plus, you'll find out how to combine these factors for maximum cash-pulling effect. Next, we'll take a look at crafting compelling sales letter openers. Your prospects just graciously granted you a few extra seconds of their time. Can you hold their attention and interest with your sales letter opener? Most people can't, which is why this video shows you the 2 best ways to keep your prospects' eyes glued to your sales page. Now once you have their attention, then you'll need to learn how to create irresistible benefit statements. Your prospects are always thinking, so? Who cares? What's in it for me? Your sales letter needs to answer these questions or your offer will be dead in the water. So here's the scoop. Crafting emotionally driven, curiosity-arousing benefit statements is the key to making your prospects really want your product. And this video shows you the right way to brainstorm, develop, and showcase these benefits for maximum conversions. But you still don't quite have the sale just yet. That's why the next thing you'll find out how to do is create sales record-shattering CTAs. If closing the sale was as easy as dropping an order button in front of your prospects, we'd all be rich. But it turns out the key to really ramping up sales is by using a 2-part call to action. So what are these 2 parts? That's what you'll discover inside this video, so don't miss it. Another thing you'll discover is how to write a slick risk reversal. You see, no matter how fantastic your offer sounds to your prospect, he's still got that niggling voice in the back of his head saying, this totally won't work for me. And if that voice is loud enough, you're going to lose a sale. That's why you need to reverse the risk by offering a guarantee. This video shows you the 3 keys to crafting a guarantee that actually boosts conversions and reduces refunds. Surprising, but true. Just wait till you see it. Now here's something else that may surprise you. Your prospects think you're lying. Seriously, if your prospects were 6 years old, they'd be skipping around you while chanting liar, liar, pants on fire. But since they're adults, they just avoid your buy button like the plague. That's why you'll find out how to overcome this common problem and get your sales flowing again. Next up, you'll also discover the conversion boosting power of a PS. Check this out. Did you know your PS is one of the most read parts of your sales letter? That means a good PS can get prospects scrambling like crazy to your order button. And inside this eye-opening video, you'll discover 5 super effective ways to craft a response-boosting PS. You'll also find out that very good things can come in small packages. Here's the deal. Plenty of people are kicking their long sales copy to the curb in favor of high-converting short-form copy. So this should set your mind abuzz with questions. Will it work for you? What are the secrets of writing effective short-form copy? You'll learn the answers to these questions and more inside this training series. Finally, you'll also get an inside look at this whole video sales letter trend. Spoiler alert, if you don't have a video on your sales page, you may be leaving a whole pile of cash on the table. That's why you'll find out the 4 keys to creating high-converting video sales letters that outperform text-only sales pages. So listen, this really is the bottom line. If you want to make a whole lot more money with your business, then you need to learn these secrets of writing great sales copy. You can only get so far with good traffic, a great product, and your dashing good looks. Taking your business to the next level is all about writing great sales copy. And this video set is exactly what you need to get started. Best of all, we've got a super low price going on these videos if you act right now. I can't promise this low price will still be available if you hem and haw and hesitate. What I can promise is that you'll continue to leave a whole lot of money on the table and lose tons of sales if you don't whip your sales copy into shape. So why wait? Grab these videos right now by clicking the button below, because this is a great way to kick your sales and cash flow into high gear.